If this is where you want to work as a dentist, then watch this video to the end. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Anya, a UK registered dentist, and today I will be step-by-step take you through all the steps and procedures that you need to go through to be a dentist in UK. And I'm gonna answer some of the questions that I've been asked on my Instagram that you don't want to miss. So let's get started. So why UK? First of all, the language is English, so you don't waste time that you can be practicing and making money to learn another language if you don't want to. There is a high demand for dentists in UK currently, so at some point your job can be secured. Also, you will enjoy a multicultural environment. There is over 300 languages spoken in London, more than any cities in the world. Getting a job visa doesn't depend to your country of origin. Also, there is no priorities for any country to get the vacancies. Working hours is usually 9 to 5, 4 days per week, but it can be flexible depending to the practice. If you are a junior dentist, you will benefit from 1 year of mentorship, which can be free depending to your practice. Your partner and your children can also come to the UK, and your partner can apply for any job unless they are a sport person or doctor in training. You are allowed to work as an associate dentist either in private clinics or with NHS, which stands for National Health System. By working in private clinics, you have higher income potential and you have more control over your schedule. Also, you can offer more personalized treatment plans. But your income may be less predictable and you access less patients. If you work with NHS, you have a steady patient flow, which means a steady income. Also, you have a standardized fee set by government and you focus more on public health. But you might have less treatment options, less earning potential, and increased workload. Now let's go to the procedure. Of course, you need a dental degree which is recognized as general dentist, for example, BDS, which is Bachelor of Dental Surgery. Then you have to get registered in GDC, which is General Dental Council of UK. If your degree is from a European university, usually you can apply directly to the GDC, or you might need to get registered in the country that you have graduated from first and then apply for GDC, and you can check this in this annex. If your course was in English, you need to provide a letter from the dean of your university that it was fully in English. If not, you need to provide IELTS certificate with a score of more than 7 and no component less than 6.5. Then you need to go to GDC's website, pay, and download your customized application form. After you send them your documents, a caseworker will email you in some days and they will tell you if you need to provide more documents or not. If your application gets accepted, which can take 1 week to 2-3 months, they will email you to pay the application fee, and then after your registration, you can choose to apply for NHS or not. If you have a non-European diploma, first you need to pass ORE exam, which stands for Overseas Registration Exam, and it has 2 parts and part 2 is practical. You need to pass part 2 maximum 5 years after part 1, and booking a seat for this exam is highly competitive. Before applying for ORE, you need to provide 1 or more references that you have completed 1,600 hours of clinical experience no longer than 3 months ago. Can I open my own dental practice in UK? Yes, you can open your own practice if you are from outside of the UK and you are registered with GDC. But make sure that you check the requirement for the visa or you consult with an advisor. Am I allowed to work and study? Yes, you are allowed to work and study as long as it doesn't interfere with your working hours and you visit the minimum amount of the patients. Can I continue having a mentor after the first year? As I mentioned before, 1 year of mentorship is mandatory if you are a junior dentist. But if you want to continue to have a mentor after that 1 year, you can, and the cost is depending on the mentor's experience and other factors. What is the difference between DMD, DDS, and BDS? DMD, DDS, and BDS are the same and meaning that the person is dentist, but DMD and DDS are used in America and BDS is used in other countries such as UK. Can a UK registered dentist work in America? If they want to work in USA, they have to undergo assessment and they have to sit the national board exam. How much is the salary of a dentist in UK? The salary of the dentist can vary depending on the factors such as experience of the dentist, location of the practice, if it is in NHS or private, but in general, a junior dentist can expect around 36,000 to 42,000 per year, and this can increase throughout the years up to 70,000-80,000, but private dentists can expect more. How dentists should keep their registration? In order to keep GDC registration, you need to pay the annual fee and also complete CPD or continuing professional development. You need a minimum of 100 hours of CPD in over 5-year cycle and at least 10 every year, but you don't have to treat patients in order to keep your GDC registration. Of course, it's better to check the relevant websites to be updated, but if there's anything that I can help with, you can always DM me on Instagram and comment here.